Huh? Huh?
My style is ridiculous.
Skibbity dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibbity dum dum dim dim. Skibbity dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibbity dum dum dim dim.
We're here to put the body.
Skibbity skibbity skibbity.
Wanna see you work the body.
Skibbity skibbity skibbity.
When the road is in the party, everybody put up their hands. I get a half a meal for my piece, you get a couple and never gonna see the day that I ain't got the fuck hand. Perspective from California, I ain't way down to Japan. I'm a real producer.
Huh? 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 Huh?
Bumbleclad! In my Lamborghini, Lamborghini, Lamborghini. Which I know you see me in my Lamborghini, Lamborghini, Lamborghini. Ride so quick you would think I'm Houdini. Been in the gang since Namco. Bring it back, I'm fully got y'all. Vroom vroom in my brand new Lambo. Another.
Yeah, let's not be so quick to judge here. We're better than that.
Quiet down, Judas! There's a Judas among us, and it's Luke!
Oh, good. I thought I was too late. Wait, what? Hey, what are you doing? Kissing you, like in the plan. The old Judas kiss. No, it's Jesus who gets the kiss. And did you close your eyes? Oh, so I kiss Jesus then? No, I do. Well, who do I kiss? All right, I'm not leaving here until I kiss a guy. It's the only reason I joined the army. Oh, you know what? Hang on. I left my harmonica in the tub. I think Peter's in there taking a bath.
Ah, son of a bitch! What the hell did I just sit on?
Where is it? Where's my harmonica? It's not here. Peter, have you seen Stewie's harmonica? It was in the tub.
Oh my God, it was in the tub, and now it's in my butt. No! Stewie, Daddy needs your tiny hands for a very special project.
Dad, this doesn't help with Christmas.
Yeah, we're screwed. Who's gonna decorate? Who's gonna cook Christmas dinner?
Okay, calm down. Now, I know your mom's gone, and we're a little worried, but Daddy's got a plan. All right, everybody go outside and kneel face first in front of Daddy's big pre-dug hole.
Come on, Peter, we can do this.
All right, plan B. I take 2 pills I got after my root canal and listen to records.
It's been 4 days.
Lois, I'll take my breakfast to go. I'm going fishing with the fellas.
Peter, I thought we were going to have some family time this weekend. You're going fishing again?
Yes, Lois, I love fishing. Remember fishing was my not at all memorable job for 2 years?
No,
You don't remember my fishing boat? You don't remember Santos and Pascual?
not even a little.
They were like male consuelas. It was a mistake making them Portuguese, though. People don't even know what a Portuguese is. That's what I thought a Portuguese was. Me and my brain, huh? And we're just getting started. Fine, I go, but there's no over. I take picture of Ang Lee.
Good. He do too many white people movie anyway. You no come back ever. I know like you American. And all you American look alike.
Oh, we all look alike, do we? Well, look who's talking.
Guess I'm on my own now, Rupert. It could be worse, though. At least I'm not getting stabbed by some random guy on the street. See, it's the exact opposite. Oh, it happened anyway.
Peter, you can't force feed maturity. He needs to learn it on his own. Why don't you get him a job or something?
Whoa, freeze frame. That's it. I can teach Chris responsibility by getting him a job. Isn't she great? Now you see why I married her. Go away now. I'm gonna do stuff to her.
Sucks about your leg, Grandpa. How you been doing?
Well, let me tell you, this is awful. I'm so bored. I can't sleep. I just have to lie here and wait for my stupid leg to heal.
Oh, I'm really sorry, Grandpa.
And the worst part about it is I can't have sex. God, I wish there was a way I could just do it myself. You know, just to be done and napping within 4 minutes.
Let me show you something.
That was amazing. And Linda Carter wasn't actually here?
No, that was just in your mind.
Incredible. So you can do that, like, what, once a year or something?
No, you can do it basically whenever you're not doing something else.
Cool. Hey, next time I want to try it with my hand. Wait, Peter, don't go.
So, you changed your mind, huh, buddy? We going to Hollywood?
You betcha. But I have to say, I thought you'd drive a fancier car.
What? Why?
Well, aren't you the Peter Griffin of Peter Griffin Cadillac?
No, that's another guy.
Hi,